Welcome to my abode. Come on, sit down. Sit down. So tell me, what do you like, eat or drink? Everything there, anything what you want, they this house. So no bother.
Just get me water.
Water? Only water?
Yeah.
You sure say water they okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute and I come.
It's great. So let's go.
Okay, babe. Thank you. Enjoy yourself, no worry. Anything you want to this house. So why you be now? More dive in or more just discuss and get to know ourselves.
Get to know which person self. There is no need for that, Oga. Climb bed. You are more than know yourself.
So you want straight to business, you know they do.
Okay. I'm not getting time for familiarity,
I know wahala now, you know. Even myself, I don't get time, so we'll just jump as they hot. As they hot to. Yeah. Oh boy. It's actually sleep like baby. Fine girl. Sleep like innocent girl. After you don't use like 5 rounds, they kill me. Make her go sleep. Won't go sleep. Won't leave a shower like that from my house. What if she go wake up before me? Come pack my stuffs. Aha. No wahala. Now I can sleep.
I want to go. Which one come be this one when time and leg now? Waiting be this? Waiting be all this thing? Waiting be this?
Okay. You know, I don't know you now. I will just leave you like that from my house.
I beg, come on this nonsense. I want to go out. Which kind level be this? Come on, down.
Sorry, now you know how people be, not be thief.
I beg. Come on this thing, make I go house.
You, if you not be thief, no mean say others not be thief. Now the same, the kind way we they protect our property. Well, no wahala, sha. Give my phone since you want the man transfer your money. The best for rope. No be a lot more for your leg. Come on, listen. If I don't do all like this, I know that I go thief my things.
How you go they call me thief? How you go look fine girl like me call me thief?
Maybe you no be thief. No mean say others not the thief. Relax, I beg. No, they change up. No, we thank you. We talk. No one. Call your account number.
00.
Okay.
84.
Okay.
28.
28.
7815.
Which bank?
Access Bank.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Where they go to go off my house. See you next time, man.
God forbid.
The first after your leg. You want to take my property?
Very useless clients. How much you give me self? Thank you. Say no time my leg for me and those things. iPhone. I know how much I go sell for Computer Village. Useless boy. God forbid, make I miss this kind of person again.